There you go. Shit, Robert caught it again. Well, I didn't get the camera on quite quick enough. Yeah, it is. Well, there you go. We put it where we wanted it to put it. Yeah. What a mess. What a mess. There's a lot of cutting. A lot of cutting. Now I got to cut all the electric wires and whatnot. And when Doug and them get back, we'll pick these pieces up with a crane and take them right up the hill. Now, next cut, I guess I'll be behind that bulkhead in there on the back side. Maybe make a third cut. All right. Well, it's ugly. Yeah, a lot of cutting. Robert did a hell of a job. Better him than me. All right. So, until we make another hack mark, I'll see y'all later. Bye.